Before Atlanta became the A and before Georgia became the dirty South, what was going on in our neck of the woods? What was going on before the state of Georgia, before counties, highways, and them spooky slave master plantations y'all be tripping on? Before Atlanta became the largest economy in the Southeast, this land already had it popping. You could almost say it was still the A, but this A was Apalachee. If you from Georgia, then you've heard this name before. Apalachee is all over Georgia. Towns, communities, trails, even schools. But the name Apalachee wasn't put here yesterday. That name had already been moving through this land for hundreds of years, and I got the sources to prove it. In the history of the Caribbean Islands, Charles De Rochefort in the 1600s described this land saying, "They are the inhabitants of a gallant and spacious country called Apalachia." Then he says this people had communication with the Gulf of Mexico by the means of a river which taking its source out of the Appalachian Mountains and moving through many rich campaigns. You know this river today as the Chattahoochee. Most of us drive over it every day. Some of us live near it, fish in it, float down it. But long before our day, it was a lifeline. The Chattahoochee begins in the Blue Ridge Mountains in North Georgia, flows south, joins the Flint River, becomes the Apalachee Cola River, and empties into the Gulf. Before our time, this river stretched through a land made up of many provinces and towns. Now watch this. On the 1564 Jacques Lemoyne map, when we move through the region, we start seeing provinces laid out across the land. Then on the 1683 Madison Mallet map, the picture gets even bigger because you see Apalachee extending across the region. Man, I love the South and the rich history we have. So make sure you follow Southern roots because this is where true Southern history comes to life.